In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Google Ads in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting with Google Ads, understanding how to manage your finances within the platform is crucial. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Google Ads website. You can easily find it by searching for Google Ads, or you can type in ads.google.com directly into the address bar. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the blue sign in button in the upper right hand corner. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Make sure to use the account that's linked with your Google Ads. This ensures that all your data is securely and correctly synced. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home dashboard. From here, you have a clear view of your campaigns, performance metrics, and financial information. This overview is the starting point for managing all aspects of your Google Ads account, including withdrawing funds. To proceed with the withdrawal, you'll need some assistance from the Google team. For this, you should navigate to the Google Ads Help Center. The Help Center is an invaluable resource with a plethora of articles, guides, and support options tailored to address any concerns or questions you might have. You can find it by selecting the Help option, typically represented by a question mark icon in the menu. Within the Help Center, you want to look for the Contact Us link. This is usually located at both the top and bottom of the page, making it easy to spot no matter where you are. Clicking Contact Us will provide you with several different options to get in touch with a Google Ads support representative. Once you're on the Contact Us page, you can choose the best method to reach out for support, whether that's through a chat, email, or phone call. Whatever option you choose, be sure to have your account information handy. Providing these details upfront will help Google Ads support assist you more efficiently. When communicating with the support team, clearly explain that you're looking to withdraw money from your Google Ads account. They'll guide you through the necessary steps and address any specific requirements needed for the transaction. Be sure to ask about any potential fees or processing times that might apply to your withdrawal so you have a complete understanding of the process. And that's it. By leveraging your Google Ads dashboard and the support resources available, you can smoothly manage your finances within the platform. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy advertising.